Yamaha YZF R15 Best Motorcycles. In the competitive world of entry-level sport bikes, the Yamaha YZF R15 continues to hold its ground as one of the best motorcycles for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its sporty design, advanced features, and impressive performance, the YZF R15 offers a thrilling yet accessible riding experience, making it a favorite among young riders and those new to the sport bike category. The Yamaha YZF R15 is powered by a 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine equipped with variable valve actuation (VVA). This technology optimizes valve timing, delivering smooth power across the rev range. The engine produces around 19 horsepower and 14.7 Nm of torque, which is impressive for its class and provides the perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency. The bike's 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch add to its sporty credentials by ensuring crisp gear shifts and enhanced control during aggressive riding. One of the standout features of the YZF R15 is its design, which takes strong inspiration from Yamaha's larger R-Series superbikes. The aerodynamic fairing, sharp LED headlamp, and aggressive tail section give it a race-ready look that appeals to style-conscious riders. Despite its sporty aesthetics, the bike is designed with rider comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic seating position that balances aggressive sportiness with everyday usability. In terms of technology, the Yamaha YZF R15 punches well above its weight. It comes equipped with a full LED lighting setup, a digital LCD instrument cluster that displays key information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and more, and a slipper clutch that enhances safety and smoothness during downshifts. The bike also features a variable valve actuation system, which improves performance and fuel efficiency by adjusting the timing of the intake valves according to engine speed. Handling and ride quality are key strengths of the YZF R15. Its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension system, featuring telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, offer nimble handling and confident cornering abilities. The bike is also equipped with disc brakes at both ends, supported by single-channel ABS for improved stopping power and safety. The Yamaha YZF R15's reputation as one of the best motorcycles in the entry-level sport bike segment is further bolstered by its affordability and reliability. Yamaha's extensive service network and proven mechanical durability make the YZF R15 a cost-effective choice for daily commuting as well as weekend rides. In summary, the Yamaha YZF R15 stands out as a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology in the lightweight sport bike category. Whether you're a novice rider looking for a dependable and exciting first bike or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a fun, nimble machine for city rides and weekend adventures, the YZF R15 delivers exceptional value. With its modern features, sporty design, and spirited performance, the Yamaha YZF R15 continues to be one of the best motorcycles for riders who want to experience the thrill of sport biking without compromising on comfort or affordability.